Hello guys, it's Atharva Dev from Educational Department, Skill Global Fintech Private Limited. First of all, let me introduce myself to all of you. I am a certified technical analyst. I am being a trader and trainer in the areas of stock and financial markets from last 2-3 years. So let me tell you, what are you going to get with a highly worth value stock market courses? We have basically 3 type of courses. Number 1, basic course. Number 2, advanced level course. And number 3, algorithmic trading course. Okay, so let me tell you, what are you going to get from our stock market training courses? First is basic level course. So what we are going to learn in that is basically what are the markets, what are financial markets, what is stock market, and what are different type of financial markets which are present in the world. Mainly, who are the entities which are involved in stock markets, what are the different types of corporate actions such as IPO, bonus, share splits, etc. How we can start and scale our career as a beginner in stock market. So this is the very theoretical and main foundation part of our first basic course. Analytical study. What is technical analysis? What is fundamental analysis? In basic, analysis means analyzing the stock and predicting the future movement of its price. So how stock price gonna move in future? Secret chart reading nuggets, how to read the charts and how to predict the future movement of price. Which are the tools used in that? How we can be on winning side of a trade? And the news. Do news really make sense? So, the next most important part in this training is about strategy, the strategy part. The 3 strategies are only created by us and all the strategies are time tested. So first strategy is consistent mover strategy. So this strategy explains you that and teaches you that how you can generate a consistent monthly income and make a lot of money out of markets. Second is time is money strategy. Why we have named this strategy like that, you will definitely gonna know it later. And last is RSI plus BB swing strategy. So these 3 strategies you are going to learn with us. All the 3 strategies are back tested and time tested with our qualified traders. So the next part is a little bit subjective, and here we teaches you technical tools and indicators which are useful in our trading. So candlesticks, its patterns, ADX, RSI, volume, Bollinger Bands, and many more. So all this stuff you are gonna learn with us in this basic course. And the most important aspect in trading is risk, because we can only handle the risk. We cannot measure and we cannot handle our profits, but we can manage our risk. So what is risk? How to manage it? What is risk reward ratio? How we can handle overall risk? What should be our risk per trade? What should be our risk on daily basis? And how we can manage our risk smartly. So these were some of the key points from our basic training courses. Second is advanced level training course. Why we call it advanced level? Because this course mainly involves and mainly revolves around implementation on the things which we have learned in our basic course. What are derivatives? What are other financial asset classes which we can trade? So all this we're gonna learn in our advanced level course. And the last and the most advanced course where the future of trading lies is algorithmic trading course. Yes, my friends, the future of trading is here, where we actually not even have to do anything. A pre-programmed trading robot will do all the things on behalf of us. He will enter in the trade and will also exit the trade himself. Only we have to do is that keeping a watch on him about how he's doing. So these were all of it. Come and join our tribe at Skill Global Fintech Private Limited. I'll see you there.